Hi, this is Professor Favors with the DRW 0315 syllabus. This is the correct syllabus for the English 1301 pairing. So I just want to go over the syllabus. You do have access to the syllabus on eCampus as well. I just want to note a few things so that you are aware of the expectations for the course. So this is an online course. And I just want to look at the course prerequisites, the successful completion of DRW 0305 or DWRI 0305 or DREA 0305 or an appropriate CSI test score. And then this is a co-requisite course, and it requires that you maintain continuous concurrent enrollment with English 1301, which I also teach, or a 3-hour TSI component course. So if you decide to drop this course, if you drop DRW 0315 you must also drop the co-rec course English 1301 82420 as well. So do keep that in mind. You cannot keep one of the courses. Um, and maintain your status. All right. So the course description is continued integration of critical reading, academic writing skills emphasized along with just-in-time support. So a lot of times that just-in-time support is the feedback that you will receive on a particular assignment. The student learning outcomes tend to be uh, your ability by the end of this course to locate explicit textual information. So your textbook is the Fundamentals of College Writing textbook. It is available online and as a hard copy at the bookstore. And that entails you not only drawing complex inferences, but describing, analyzing, evaluating the information that you're reading. And then you are learning how to comprehend, use vocabulary effectively in oral communication, reading, and writing. So that is a status quo, that is a standard. You cannot get away with using improper grammar or English. And then you are identifying, analyzing the audience purpose message across a variety of texts. You will find a lot of more of that happening in your English 1301 course. And then composing a variety of texts. Again, that's in your English 1301 course. Determining the effective use of approaches and rhetorical strategies, generating ideas, and then recognizing and applying the conventions of standard English in reading and writing. Also thinking about revising your work. So the required course material is Fundamentals of College Writing. I will let you read the rest of this here. And then the graded work is based upon this summary here. So you have 18 assignments worth 15 points each. Discussion board activities, most of them are reflective. Two of the discussion board activities will require you to upload a draft from the English 1301 course. So do note that on the calendar. And then there are quizzes based upon the readings, practices. The assignments are based upon the practice exercises. And then there's a grammar final, and then also a course reflection. And this is based upon a 1,000-point scale. For DRW, you cannot receive a D in this class. So no grade of D is given in DRW 0315. Keep that in mind. So that means that you will be bumped down to an F. Then your final grade is based upon your participation in this course. So be sure to adhere to weekly deadlines for all activities. All activities are generally due by the end of the week. It is running on a Monday through Friday schedule. So do manage your time. That gives you some weekends off. So that last day of the week falls on a Friday. There may be some flexibility for Saturday submissions, so you can request an extension early enough in the week so that I can give everyone the same opportunity. Send out an announcement. Late work generally is not accepted, especially if it's too late in the course where you think, okay, I didn't do everything I was supposed to do in weeks 1 through 5, and so I'm going to now try to make up. You can't do that. But it is possible to submit something late and get a few points deducted. So there is a possibility to do that. Your English 1301 rough drafts must be submitted by the deadline to receive timely peer feedback. So review the week on the calendar. You may submit during the drafting period without late deduction, but be sure to submit early enough to receive feedback. So again, The course is running on a Monday through Friday in terms of submissions, and I have not really added um, a definable date for each of the submissions, the assignments, quizzes, or whatever. I'm just allowing you to have all the way up to Friday to get it done. So that means you are really going to have to manage your time. Makeup work, you cannot make up a semester's worth of assignments. If you missed 1 week or 2 weeks, it's possible to make that up, but you can't miss 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks and then try to make all of those, make all of that work up. Okay. And then academic honesty and plagiarism, make sure that you do not submit work that is not your own. So this is the course calendar, and I have attached it in eCampus in different areas so that it is just easy access. But note that there is a discussion board where you are introducing yourself. So click the discussion board tab. And then I have here all the different what the assignments are worth: 15 points, discussion board 10 points, quizzes worth 20 points. Okay. And so be sure to really manage yourself with this calendar. Again, the textbook is available online under learning materials in the eCampus course. And so you are responsible for reading all of the information. And the eCampus is designed as read, watch, assignments, quizzes, and discussions. So it sort of corresponds to the academic calendar for easy viewing. So this is the syllabus for DRW 0315.